guys. I hope you had a great weekend. Today is Monday, March 29th, and did I get that right? Yes, 29th. And we are going to go ahead and get started. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, so today is Monday. Let's do our months. Oh, got an itchy. Sorry, guys. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. Last time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit back down. All right, you guys. So I said today is Monday. We're in the month of March, and let's go ahead and count. Let's count first, and then we'll switch everything around. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Goodness, take a breath. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And today is number 29. Today is Monday, March 29, and our year is 2021. Let's go ahead and figure out how many days we've been in school. All right, come over here and look at our 180 chart. Okie dokie. So we're going to start with our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Hang on to it. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, and today is our 129th day of school. So let's put this over in the column that has all of the nines. We got 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109, 119, and then today is 129. We have been in school for 129 days. All right, let's figure out what our weather is this week, and I'll give you a hint. Mrs. Dar is going to like it a whole lot better than she liked last week's weather. Does that help? Remember what Mrs. Dar said she liked to have outside?
All right, here's our music.
Sunny, 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 it is sunny in the sky. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, it is sunny in the sky. Cloudy, 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 it is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy, it is cloudy in the sky. Rainy, 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 it is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, it is rainy in the sky. Windy, 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 it is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy, it is windy in the sky. Snowy, 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 it is snowy in the sky. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy, it is snowy in the sky.
All right. Happy news today. It is not snowing. It is also not raining. It is a little bit cloudy today, and it's a little bit sunny outside. It's also going to be in the 50s today. Today it is supposed to be 59 degrees. So let's come over to our thermometer. And we'll start on the 0 and count up to the 50s and then count by ones. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Hang on to it. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So we are still in the green. It is 59 degrees. Oh, sorry, just a second. Let me answer that real quick. I'll get back to you just a second. Sorry about that, guys. The phone rang and I had to answer it. So anyway, what I started to say was since it is still in the 50s, we are going to go ahead and, there we go. We'll go ahead and point our arrow just under the 60 line so it's in the green. And your parents might have gotten an email last week from our principal, Mr. Timmerman. He and the staff got together and they were talking about the rules. Since we weren't here for spring last year, we needed to decide when kids had to wear coats outside and when they were fine to not wear coats. And the rule for Emerson is if it's 60 degrees or above, so if it's in the yellow or the orange or the red, you do not have to wear a coat. But if it is in the green or the blue or the purple or the white, all the way down there, you have to wear a coat. So your coat could be a long sleeve shirt that's a sweatshirt, not just a shirt. It needs to be a sweatshirt, a sweater, or a jacket. If it's in the green, a shirt is a nice thing, but I'm blowing this up. I am going to move my shirt. The shirt's going to stay up there. All right, so let me try this again. If our weather is in the green, the blue, the purple, or the white, you have to wear a sweatshirt or a jacket or a coat. All right? Anything in the green or below, you have to wear at least a sweatshirt or a jacket. If it's in the 60s, if it's in yellow or orange or red, you can just go outside without a jacket on. You just have to have your shirt on. Okay? That was what Mr. Timmerman decided. That's what our staff decided. And that's what the email that got sent home said. So just so you know from here on out, if it's in the 50s or below, if it's underneath the 60-degree mark, you have to wear a coat. That's just the way it is. All right, I think I beat a dead horse about that one. So The temperature today is going to be 59 degrees. The weather today, oh, I know why that didn't fit. I hit the wrong arrow. Oh my goodness. I must have had a really good weekend. Okay, let's put this arrow over on the thermometer there. Okay, and looks like I need to fix this arrow, but we'll use it for today. All right, so our weather today is going to be in the middle of cloudy and sunny because it's supposed to be some of both of them. We're supposed to have a little bit of sun and a little bit of clouds. So when we go to our weather graph, we can look at Sunday, which was yesterday. Yesterday, it was a sunny day. Today, we're going to have some sun and we're going to have some clouds. So we're going to put both on our weather chart. And we said the temperature was 59 degrees, which is in the green. It's under that yellow. So our weather bear has to wear a jacket or a sweatshirt. He has to wear something outside at recess. That's not just his shirt. All right. We talked a good share of the week last week about spring weather. And we talked a lot about rain. And I am going to read a couple more stories about rain. Whoops, sorry. There we go. Couple more stories about rain. One of them is a fiction story called Puddles by Jonathan London, and the pictures are by G. Brian Karras. It's written by Jonathan London. He's the author. He's the one that wrote the words. And the pictures are by G. Brian Karras, and he is the illustrator. He drew all the fun pictures. All right. And this is kind of a poem book. It's just a fun book to read. All night the slash of rain and the flash of lightning and the kaboom of thunder rattling the house and all the windows. We cuddle between fright and glee and want it to stop and never stop. So they kind of like the storms, but they kind of didn't like the storms. In the morning it does, like a curtain rising on a shiny new day, a day of brightness and blue. The sky swept clean of the last cloud. We walk outside to the sweet chatter of birds filling the trees and breathe deep the clear air. Watch out for puddles, Mama hollers. Don't get wet. Okay, look at those pine trees. Needles glisten. Listen. The drip, drip, drip from the eaves and the leaves. Look at the sparkle of a million suns in a million drops. So all of these drops up here, all of these glistening things are water drops, and the sun is reflecting off and through them. That's what makes them glisten. We follow baby rivers trickling and snaking down ditches into fields. And what did Mama say? Don't get wet. It's like maybe he might be getting just a little bit wet. It's a good thing he has his rain boots on. Uh-oh. Puddles. They're splashing in the puddles. And what happens if you splash in the puddles? You might get wet. Puddles, big ones, little ones, long ones, skinny ones, pieces of sky on the ground. It's time to puddle jump. Splash, splash, splash. And they're getting wet. Mud sucks at our boots. Slurp, slurp, slurp. We kneel and watch the worms squirm and stretch and leave tiny trails in the muck. Here's the trail. Here's the worms. Here's another trail and another trail. They're leaving tiny trails in the muck like sloppy writing. They're learning the ABCs of weather, of rain and sun and mud. Then we slog down through the wet grass toward the pond. And what lives there celebrating life? Or I'm sorry, celebrating all the new water and new life. So now look, if they're slogging through the wet grass, are they going to get wet? Probably. At the pond, it's time for the frogs to play, and we want to play with them. Leap, frog, leap. Leap, frog, leap. Hop, flop, plop. Uh-oh. Looks like he's getting really wet. Birds flap from the trees, and we think the trees are applauding. We bow, then say, "Bye, frogs," and we turn toward home. Now look, she's bowing and looking at her reflection in the water. What's he doing? Is he sitting in the water? It looks like his jacket is muddy and the rest of him is getting wet. Puddles! Big ones, little ones, long ones, skinny ones, pieces of sky on the ground. It's time to puddle jump again. We can hit every puddle from the pond to the meadow. Splash, splash, splash. What did Mom say? Don't get wet. Oops, so sorry. Having a hard time turning the page. All right. We slog through the wet grass and suck mud with our boots. Slop, slop, slop. Skip beneath the leaves and eaves. Drip, drip, drip. And drip into Mommy's doorway shouting, "We're home!" "You're wet!" Mama howls. So if Mama's howling, is she happy? On the morning after rain, it's time to soak in a hot bath, wiggle dry in a warm towel, and get dressed and drink hot chocolate. And then run outside again. To puddle jump, splash, splash, splash. The end. I don't think they learned the lesson that Mom said. Mom said, don't get wet. And they went back outside and got wet again. The end. You know what, guys? I didn't realize that book was going to take quite so long, so I'm going to save this book, Rain, for tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow for our literacy time. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.